Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking, what do you need to heal within yourself to bring more money into your life? And the Fool came through, and the message that comes through here is, are you being playful in life? Are you having fun? Or are you taking life way too seriously? Right? Because the thing is, when we sit in joy, which is that higher frequency emotion, and on the emotional vibrational scale, joy is quite high on that. And when we're in that more playful inner child innocence like we had when we were children, we sit in that more playful higher frequency, right? And we're not projecting out worries, stress, all the financial stress that we usually do. We're playful, we're in the moment, we're in joy, we're enjoying that moment, and we're creative as well. So we're creating what we want as well. We're thinking about what we want, we're being playful in that and enjoying our creative side. And that's how we create more money in our life, by healing the part of us that's being too serious and not connecting with that fun, innocent inner child within us. So to heal yourself and to attract more money, you need to be less serious, have more fun, connect with your inner child, be creative, and then you can attract more money into your life. So let me know if this has resonated in the comments, and what are you going to do for fun? What brings you joy? Let me know in the comments. If you've liked the video, make sure you like it, hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified of the upcoming videos and readings that I do. And I'll catch you all soon. Bye.